You have a 2012 Mazda 3 center console. I have a lot of play, and that's what we're trying to fix. So there's a tensioner piece within the console that we could just tighten with a 10mm. 4 connector tabs that snap into place on the 4 sides of the console. Internal tabs in here. So tab 1 and tab 2 you can pull on this side, and tab 3 and 4 you can put your hand in between these two pieces and pull. Probably gets caught in the snap tabs that are here and here. So you just have to put your finger under here to get a better angle of leverage. As you feel like you're about to break it, it'll snap. And then you could lift the entire console tray out and away. The e-brake adjustment nut right here, pretty loose. Just like that. So we want to get rid of that place so that I have more clicks till I actually engage. And those 2 clicks really didn't engage much of the brake at all. I need to pull all the way up to engage the brake. Since I have a manual, it's important. And the car's on chocks right now so that it wouldn't roll with the emergency brake down. So switching to a 10mm deep socket. I could barely pull it to 3 before I get engagement now that this is tightened. And we can snap it right back in the way we found it before. Slide this over, pull that a little bit, slide that over, along the tabs, solid, and there it is. Feels brand new, feels like a brand new car when I do that. If you've enjoyed this video or find it helpful, please like it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.